Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So you're probably wondering, why am I wearing the same clothes as the video I did previously? So I'm just doing videos back to back right now. I've got a bit of catching up to do, so I've literally just finished that video now, and now I'm recording a second one, so that's why. But what we're talking about today is a project I have previously talked about called everearn, and the project has some stuff coming along, right? I have been following this project along. The team are doing bits, they're doing work on it. It's doing a fantastic job. You can see I did a video back here, did another video back here somewhere. There it is. So, you know, the project has been around for a while now. You can see I made a video about a month ago, about 2 months ago nearly for this one now. But yeah, you guys can see the project is doing things. And today they asked nicely if I could talk about a new update that's coming to their project. And I thought, you know what, the guys have been good to me. They're a really awesome team. I've worked with them previously way back, and you know, they've helped me out, so I'm helping them out. So guys, I'm gonna leave the video up here if you want to check out the older videos which talks about the project itself, that type of thing. I'll try to leave both up there, and I'll leave links down below so you guys can check them out as well. But everearn, it's a reflection token. So every time there's a buy and sell, there's like 11% BUSD forever. So every time someone buys and sells, you get a percentage of that, and you get 11% BUSD reflections, which is nice because you get, you know, you have your investment, and then on top of that, you're getting BUSD every time someone buys and sells, which is really nice. And if the volume is high, so let's say $1 million of volume every day, you're getting a decent amount of BUSD every day. And you can use that BUSD rather to reinvest elsewhere, keep on the sideline, buy a coffee, go to McDonald's, do whatever you want with the BUSD. So it is pretty neat. Guys, I'm not going to go through the website because I've done that before, but links down below, all that type of stuff. But what I'm talking about today is they're bringing out staking, right? And I think this is massive for this type of token, because a lot of reflection tokens die off because you don't get enough volume, people aren't interested, there's not enough volume, no one's making any reflection, so what's the point? So what everearn are doing, they're bringing in staking, which is absolutely fantastic idea for a reflection token. So let's go through it. Let's see what some of the people have asked questions about. So everearn staking, stake BUSD in a, so this is a stable coin, right? In BUSD, stake it, and then up to 59.2% APY. So APY, guys, goes back, compounds, goes back in continuously. So if you had $100, that $100 will now be $200 if it goes up like this. So it's like a cycle. It's a bit hard to explain. Go have a look what APY is. But basically it's compounding. So your money just keeps going back in, and it grows and grows and grows and grows and grows. So yeah, 59.2% APY on a stable coin, which is absolutely massive. I don't think I've seen that anywhere before. There probably is places, but I personally haven't seen that. Are we staking everearn? Will our everearn be locked? What will happen to our BUSD rewards? So no, you are not staking everearn. You are staking your BUSD. Therefore, your everearn is not locked, and you continue to receive your BUSD rewards for the everearn you hold. How much BUSD can I stake? Investors holding $5,000 worth of everearn. So here's a bit of utility for the project, which fantastic job. Really like that. So yeah, you can if you're holding $5,000 worth of everearn, you can stake up to a maximum of $1,000 in BUSD. Within each of the 4 staking pools, investors holding less than $5,000 worth of everearn will be able to stake up to 20% of the value of everearn they hold in BUSD within each staking pool. So that is a nice utility. So I'm going to assume maybe if you have $10,000, you can stake $2,000 BUSD. I'm unsure on that. Maybe they need to be a bit clearer of that, but that's what I'm assuming from this. But if you have $5,000 of everearn, you can stake up to a maximum of $1,000. And with the APY, that will be at the end of the year roughly like around maybe $1,600, but it's APY, so it'll probably be a bit higher than that, maybe $1,800. Someone can do the math on that. So, you know, it's not bad. It's not bad. Is there an early withdrawal fee? Yes, there are early withdrawal fees will be a 2.5% of the value of the BUSD invested. What happens if I sell everearn after I have started staking my BUSD? Assuming you do not withdraw from staking early, your staking cycle will continue until completed. So there you are. What happens to income generated from staking? Income generated from staking is put directly back into the project in the form of a buyback and burn of everearn tokens. So here's the utility, the thinking long term. You know, I like that. I like that a lot. And it also goes to liquidity, development, and the marketing as well of the project, which is very nice. I like that a lot. How does BUSD staking help the project and everearn investors? So here we are, it's explaining what I've just said. So BUSD staking means that there is no sell pressure on the chart, which is great, such as seen in staking the native token. Income generated is used to buy everearn with full tokenomics intact, resulting in more BUSD going to holders, but everearn is burned, which continues decrease in supply and therefore increases BUSD reward payout percentage to holders. It's massive, right? It basically... It is big, right? That is big because there is reflection tokens. People just want to keep selling the rewards constantly. So the price is dropping. There's no volume. But if people are staking, the price is going to stay stable. People are going to buy into the token because they want to earn, everearn, they want to earn BUSD, and then they can stake it, and so on and so forth. It's a great idea, and I think the guys have done a very good job with this idea. So that's the staking, guys. You can probably find more on a white paper once that's been updated. And let's have a little look at the chart. So what's been going on with everearn since we last looked? So you can see that a massive run up. The first time we talked about everearn was roughly around the 4th of February. So if you did get in around then, congratulations, you did a very lovely jump there. And it has gone down. People take profits, obviously, but it seems like it has found its floor here. You can see it's resisted around here. And here, it seems like it's going back up. It might do a nice retest here. It'll go up. Maybe it'll come back down here and retest again. But you can see it's a nice little run up. So the floor does look like it could possibly be found. Is it worth investing into? It's totally up to you guys. You know, do your own research, like the team, find out about the team, ask questions, all that type of stuff. Where would I class this token? I would definitely say it's probably on the mid-high risk, because the reason why I put it about mid-high is because you get in stable coins as reflections, and if you like hold this enough and this project does well enough for a while, you're going to probably end up getting your money back just in reflections. So it's not too bad. You know, as long as the volume keeps coming in, then it's absolutely great. You can see here the volume did absolutely amazing here, and it's kind of been somewhat stable. Seems like the volume has been decreasing over time, with a little pop-up possibly coming up here. So you want to see this volume go up higher for the reflections. So it's a bit right now, but is it worth getting into? Like I said, it's up to you guys. I can't make that decision for you, but it could possibly be a decent buy-in right now with a market cap of 8.5 million. So it is still early. Seems like it might have found its floor here. It could possibly come back down, bounce back up, test that type of stuff. So you might be able to get in even cheaper, but honestly, you don't know with these type of things, especially with Bitcoin doing absolutely crazy right now and doing very well. So yeah, that's everearn. That's this little staking update here. I think the team have done a fabulous job with introducing this. I've never seen this on a reflection token before, so this could be possibly big. This actually comes out tonight, I believe, the staking. So for those who are already in the project, you've got something coming. For those who are maybe interested, you have a nice little feature coming out later on tonight. So yeah, that's absolutely amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.